Hey everyone, in this tutorial we will learn how to read multi-frame or multi-page GIFs and TIFFs using IronOCR in C#. Before we begin, make sure you have IronOCR installed. You can install it quickly via NuGet Package Manager. I have already set this up in my project. Now let's navigate to the Program.cs file where we will write our code. We then start by setting the license key, and then we create an instance of the IronTesseract class. This is the engine that we will perform our OCR. Next, we import a multi-frame TIFF file named Potter.tiff using the OcrImageInput class. This allows IronOCR to read all frames or pages in that image file. We then call the read function on the OCR engine. This scans through the image, extracts the text, and returns it as an OCR result. We can print that text directly to the console. And sometimes we don't need the entire page. In that case, we can specify a scan region. Here we define a rectangular crop area using the rectangle object. With this scan region in place, we again use the OcrImageInput class, this time passing the TIFF file along with the defined content area. We run the read function again, and now IronOCR only processes the specified section of the image. The extracted text is displayed in the console output. So let's go ahead and run the program. The extracted text appears instantly in the console output. Now on the screen, you can also see the Potter.tiff file. This shows how IronOCR takes the image and accurately converts the printed text into real, editable content. And that's it. You have seen how IronOCR can read multi-frame TIFFs and GIFs and how to target specific regions for OCR scanning. IronOCR is a powerful .NET library that makes OCR both simple and effective. Keep exploring, and you will discover many more advanced features it has to offer. We hope you found this tutorial helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials from Iron Software. And to get started with IronOCR, please sign up for a trial on the site and continue to download and install the package and experience the power of our software firsthand. You can click in the link below in the description and you can try for yourself.